Okay, so we are at this restaurant in the middle of this place, and they have some soup over here, and then we've got sausages, and some chili sauce, and then yuck. Anyway, that's for me. It's not for me. I mean, chicken feet. Some stir-fried pork ribs with garlic, peas, and chili, and we've got some cabbage, stir-fried mixed vegetables. Oh, chicken wings, sweet and sour spicy fried chicken drumsticks, and some, that looks like fish. So yeah, steamed fish with lemon and chilies, and some tom yum. And this, yum yum. I think we're hungry. This is like chicken kapow, ground chicken kapow. There's gonna be some, nothing in there, but deep fried spring rolls, and some tom yum, green curry, actually, not tom yum. And then that's hot and spicy. Yum, that looks so good.